I'm just gonna take these out. This was a fail. So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, my hair, it's not done, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a blowout, a natural looking blowout on my short relaxed hair. So I did wash my hair and I didn't like do anything to it because I wanted to record this video. So I am going to re-wet my hair right now. I'm gonna comb it out a little bit. I hope this looks good because my videos to me been looking a little orange, and I'm trying to make sure I ain't orange. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and then for the rollers I'm gonna use, I am gonna use some Velcro rollers, and these are not my favorite for a smooth look, but I do like these for a more blown out look. I don't know where my other ones are. I had those for a long time since beauty school. I think they're just put up because I never was using them. So I'm gonna use these. This is my first time doing this on myself, and yeah. So this came from Amazon. I will link it below, and it came with small and medium rollers. So this is how the box looks. This is the brand, the name of it. So it's 18 pieces in here. I am going to put a little serum on. This is the Smooth Guard. So literally just a little bit. And I'm going to focus that on my ends. I put heat protectant in some of this serum yesterday, but I like to style my hair when my products is fresh. And then I have the Nairobi foam. This is like one of my favorite foams that anybody can get access to, no problem. So, but I'm running out, and once you run out with this new like nozzle, it's hard to get it out. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna sit under the dryer, and then they give you this rat tail comb, which I like. So I'm just gonna start here at the front here. I don't start in the back. I like to start in the front. And the further you pull from the scalp, the tighter the curl. So, and I want my curls in the front and top pretty tight. So
I get it down on the dance floor. Watch this. You don't even know,
okay, so I am done with the front here. Y'all, I don't know how this gonna look, but I'm gonna end up fixing my hair. It's gonna look cute in the end, but Yeah, I'm doing this for that volume. So I'm gonna finish and show you guys, and then I'll be back. So for this look, you guys, this is just gonna be to give me, like I said, some volume. So yeah, because I can see I'm not gonna be able to wear this out, I don't think. Yeah, I'm not. So this is my bonnet cap that I'm going to put on. And I gotta do my hair quickly because I gotta go pick up my daughter, and I got other stuff to do. So this is what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna hook up my hooded dryer to the end of it. So I'm gonna sit and let this dry, and then I'll be back. Oh, okay, so I think my hair is pretty dry, so so I'm gonna start. Girl, I don't know what this is. So it did give me volume, but I feel like, oh, these are just to set. It didn't give me the look at all I was going for, but my hair is dry. So okay, y'all, so it gave me a lot of volume, I must say. I'm happy with that. But yeah, no curl. Some of this on my, well, no, I'm gonna wait. Let me wait. I think this is just a 1 inch or a ½ inch barrel curling iron. I normally would do without the rollers to get volume, and I just use these, but I don't flat iron my hair. So because just using a curling iron, it doesn't penetrate the hair, like the hair strands, all the way through like a flat iron would with you closing it together. So I like to use this. Yeah, the rollers did give me volume, but, and you could tell you have volume from like the rollers is because of the height it gives at the base of the hair. So it's very bouncy from the rollers. I just prefer the other kind of rollers. They're really smooth. There's like no teeth in them. And for me to get my base straight, because it is a little wavy, I just make sure I'm getting as close to it as possible. And I just leave it like that for my hair being shorter. So I'm just going to curl and like stack them on top of each other. I should have just did this in the first place. I was trying to try something new, knowing I got stuff to do. And I'm at work, so I'm wasting time doing something new for nothing. Well, not for nothing, but yeah, like my hair has to be done for this.
I see you with your friends, you don't wanna get embarrassed. I know you see my bling bling. Check out the
Okay, guys, so I have to put some of my scalp care on my hand.
Watch me slide on you, watch me ride on you. You ain't gotta see it. You think I'm fly, don't you? 'Cause we, you and me, can really break it down. Girl, I've been waiting all night to see you dance like me. You gon' sweat your outfit out trying to dance like me. Now please, like me.
I'm gonna wrap my hand.
It's easy. I just want you to relax. And I'm gonna just pop in, drop in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Girl, I've been waiting all night to see you dance like me. You gon' sweat your outfit out trying to dance like me. Like me.
Y'all, and I really just let my hair ride out. Okay? Like, but I love to just do a down the middle because I be hot, y'all. Okay, guys, so for the end of this video, I did have to go ahead and transfer to my phone because my battery died on my camera. So this is the finished look. You guys, my hair, like I told you guys, is going to fall. That's why I do that method, because it gives me hot, but it is hot now. I told you guys I'm going to be getting braids, and this is my last relaxer, but I am going to be showing you guys how to do like cute little styles. I really don't like my hair in my face, so I don't do like a side part a lot of the time. And I normally wear my U-parts after about, start back wearing my U-parts after about maybe 2.5, 3 weeks. So then I'll put a U-part in right before I get my braids. Again, my hair has a lot of volume and it's gonna eventually like fall down. I'm gonna wrap it tonight and still gonna have a little bump tomorrow, but not as big, which I'm fine with. So this is how it looks afterwards, and I am pleased with the volume. I just love having volume in my hair. And again, I'm going to show you guys like how I wear my little pearl clips. I put right here, and I'm just going to do some different styles. I'm not sure if I'm going to record that video today. I probably should, since I have my makeup on, and I probably will change my top. But if this video was helpful, please comment down below. If you want to see certain styles, because my hair is a bob, so I'm doing relaxed hair videos for relaxed hair people. Anybody can watch though, and also for people who have a bob, we wear a side part, middle part, curly, really curly, you know, relaxed. But we can do like messy curls. We can do some pin-up styles. We can do a form of a half up, half down as well. And then I do this one look here where I just grab it and I put my pins at the back, and I have my cute earrings on. And girl, I'm out the door because again, it's hot, y'all. So let me know if you guys are interested in that video, and what other questions that you guys may have. Leave them down below. Make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media platforms, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Since we was on our